Hello, in this video today I'll be talking to you about the basic commands in Linux. Now, why you would want to learn using the command line. First of all, it's faster to do things from the command line. If you want to be a power user, it's very important to learn the command line and running scripts to perform tasks. Now, commands are run in a terminal. A terminal is a program that allows you to interact with the shell. Now, what a shell is a program that takes input from the keyboard and outputs it to the operating system. So, unlike Windows, Linux is case sensitive and all the commands are in lowercase. So, if I was to run a command in capital, I would get an error. So first of all, I'll start off with the pwd command, which is the present working directory command. This displays the present working directory, the directory we are in right now. Now the slash means root. Now the root is the ancestor of all directories and files. Similar to Windows, how Windows has the C hard drive, and that's where all the files are located. I'll be going through that later on when I talk about directory structures and stuff like that. I won't go through it right now. The next command is the cd command, which is change directory. You can navigate through directories using the cd followed by a relative or absolute path. Once again, that's all in regards to how directory structure is and how to navigate through directories. I'll be going through another video in regards to that. So let me show you how the cd command works here. So if I want to go into downloads, I could do this, cd downloads. Now we're in downloads. If I want to go back to my home directory, cd by itself will just take you back to your home directory. And now we're back to my home directory. Next command is ls. It lists the contents of a directory. So if I go ahead and type in ls, you'll see the contents of my home directory is listed, and it will show all the files and other directories that are in my home directory. Now, if I wanted to list the files or directories in downloads, I could do ls downloads, and it'll show me, well, it'll show me nothing because there is nothing in downloads, but let me go ahead and make some files there. And that lists the downloads when I made the cars and computers directory in downloads. Also, ls-a will show me all hidden files and all files. So hidden files are basically, they start off with a dot. It's good if you want to make a backup, you would add the dot in front of a file. Or you want to hide important files, things like that. Once again, that'll go into directory structure and another video that I'll be doing, and we'll go into details with that. So ls-l will show me a long listing, and basically ls-l will show me what kind of permissions are there, when the files were created, things like that. Now I can also combine the options, so I could do ls-al, and it'll show me all files and a long listing. Clear command will just clear the terminal. Next command is mkdir. It's used to create directories. Different arguments can be used to create many subdirectories. So mkdir is used to create directories. So mkdir computers ls, and we'll see the directory computers there. Now mkdir-p allows parent directories to be made, so I could do this: mkdir-p cars, dealers, rent, ls. So now we have that directory made cars. Now I'll go and cars. So now I made cars, and inside that we have dealers, and we have rent. So the parent directory of rent is dealers, and the parent directory of dealers is cars. So the -p allows parent directories to be made. Rmdir removes directories that are empty. So ls so rmdir computers. Now computers is empty, so it'll allow me to delete it. See how computers is deleted now. rm-r removes directory with contents inside it. So rm-r cars, that's been deleted, and cars is no longer there. So rm-f will forcefully remove a file. Next command we'll talk about is cat. So cat displays, combines, and creates text files. Cat. So I'll create a text file, father. My father is a hard-working man. Then I'll create a text file called mother, cat, mother. My mother is a great cook. Control Z if you want to exit, by the way. So we have the text files father and mother in my home directory now. Now if I wanted to combine those two files together, I could do this: cat, mother, and I have to append it. that means to add data to existing file without overwriting it. If I was to overwrite it, I would just do this. But I don't want to do that, so we're just going to combine it, and I'll go ahead and do this. So, and then to display the contents of father, I'll do this cat father. This will show me what's in that text file there. Cat father. So it shows me my father is a hardworking man. My mother is a great cook. Next command we'll talk about is the mv command. The mv command is used to move directories or files, also used to rename a directory or file. So go ahead and show you how that works. So I'll start off with renaming a file first. So mv, I'll take the text file father that we made earlier, and I'll rename it dad ls, and now I have the text file renamed to dad. Now I'll show you how to move directory. So, and let me start off by making a directory first. And so now we'll move the directory cars, mv cars, and we'll put it into the file downloads. Now if I navigate over to downloads, I have cars there. Next command is ps. ps will show you all the current active processes. So I have the bash born again shell. I have which is this terminal. I have cat, and then the ps command that I ran. Top will show you all the running processes. The df command will show you disk usage. So over here you can see the use of all of the disk. Date command will show you current date and time. Cal command will show you this month's calendar. And last but not least, we have the man command. Now the man command is a manual for commands in Linux. It will give you information on the command. So say if I wanted to know what ls does, I'll do man ls. It'll pretty much give you a manual page of the ls. It lists directories, contents, and show you the options you have there, arguments. So that's it for today for the basic commands. I hope you like it, and please do leave some feedback. Thank you for watching. Shiroz Alam over here for IT Rocks.